Do your eyes ever feel dry, itchy, like there's some stuff inside, but there's nothing in there? You blink, you rub your eyes, you use eye drops, but nothing really changes. You're not alone. Hello, I'm Dr. Florence, and in today's video, we'll look into dry eyes, its present, future treatments. Now let's get into it. Millions of people across the world, even right here in Nigeria, suffer from what is known as dry eye disease. And while it sounds simple, it can seriously affect your quality of life. Now let's break it down. Why is this happening? Most people think dry eyes just means not enough tears. But in many cases, this is not the real issue. The real culprits: inflammation, reduced tear quality. Inflammation in tear glands, inflammation in the eyelids, even inflammation on the surface of the eye. And when that inflammation kicks in, your eyes lose their natural balance. They stop producing quality or healthy tears, or they hold onto the ones you make. So the surface gets dry, it gets scratchy and extremely uncomfortable. So what can you do about it? Right now, the goal of most treatments is simple: control the inflammation, and then there's a small but powerful solution called punctal plugs. They are tiny, but they do something really important. They block the tear duct just slightly so that your natural tears actually stay on the eyes longer or for a longer period of time. Think of it like holding moisture in, especially useful for people with conditions like Sjogren's syndrome. But the story does not end there. Exciting progress is happening in dry eye research in labs and clinics around the world, including Africa. Researchers are testing new solutions that could make a huge difference. Some are developing targeted anti-inflammatory drugs, medications that treat the root cause with fewer side effects. And here is something interesting. A brand new treatment was just approved for something called Demodex blepharitis, an eyelid condition caused by tiny mites. Now, researchers are exploring whether this same approach could help dry eye patients too. The future is moving towards personalized treatment plans designed around exactly why your eyes are dry. Not just treating the symptoms, but treating the root cause. So what should you do if your eyes feel these symptoms, or if you feel these symptoms? Here is the truth. Over-the-counter eye drops might give temporary relief, but they won't solve the problem if inflammation is involved. You need more than a bottle of artificial tears. You need a full eye examination, one that looks beneath the surface and gets into the actual cause. At Vision Planet Eye Clinic, that is what we do. We don't just treat dry eyes, we investigate it, we personalize the care, and we walk with you through the journey from discomfort to clarity. If this helped you understand dry eyes better, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Vision Educate, share this with someone who is constantly rubbing their eyes and in silence. Got questions? Drop them in the comments section below. Until next time, remember, your vision is our mission, and clear, comfortable eyes, that's what we are here for. Bye!